Today we are talking about the Faraiz of Wuzu. There are four. So the one is face, from forehead to chin, one ear loop to second loop. The second one is wash your arms. The third one is masa. Fourth is the feet. So see the practically washing the face, the full face, then wash the full forehead to chin, one ear lobe to second lobe. Then wash your arms, including the elbows. Then wet your hand and wet the head. Okay, this is actually the full masa, but in first you have to wet the 1/4. If you are dividing the head in 4 parts, if you are wetting the fourth part of the head, it's okay. Then the fourth one is the washing the feet. The first means the obligatory, compulsory things. So this is the compulsory things I told you. In next video, inshallah, I will tell you the detail, the sunnat and the wajibats, inshallah. See you soon, inshallah, in next video. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.